Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add light beams effect in Capcut PC. So you can find the new effects. This is vibrating beams of light. Yeah, this is new effect from Capcut, and this is for effect you have to join progress to be able to use this effect. So for instance, I'm just going to add the dash images and go to effect and select this vibrating beams of light. Validation link. You can adjust for the option right here for the blur, color, strength, glow, speed, and vertically. And right, so you can see for the final result. Alright, you can combine with a transition effect. Go to transition and select Playspin. Let's hold the clip. So it's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.